Once again, myself Ashish Jain in front of you. Chapter 3, Water Resources, Class 10th. So today we are going to study what is water resources, importance of water resources and conservation, and the management of water resources. I want to tell to you all 3/4 of world is covered with water, and water is the renewable resources, and 96% of total volume of world is estimated to exist as ocean. 2.5% is as only the fresh water. So, and India receives nearby only 4% of the global precipitation and rank 133 in the world in item of water availability per person per annum. So we are going to study what is water conservation and management. Before it, we are going to study the need of it. Okay, what is the real need of water? To conserve water, need of water conservation. What is the need of water conservation? Point number 1, to water conserve as a resources. We conserve water as it is a resources for us. It's been used in future. Point, water is mainly used for agriculture products, industrial products, daily consumption. Secondly, manage water resources. We also need to manage the water resources. We can do by construction of dams, canals, storing the water. Third point comes ensure of food security. With water only the food comes, and food security is with water only. Fourth point, the livelihood and productive activities. So water gives the livelihood and productive activities. All the food products which we get is with water and conservation of water. And lastly, safeguard ourselves from wealth hazards. So water safeguards us from health hazards. All the various disease comes with drinking dirty water. So we also save ourselves from health hazards. So in this way, here we can say what is the need of water conservation and by how we can use and conserve water. Today we will go to study. So first of all, the points comes is the dams, that how we can store the water through dams. So dams are of two types according to the material use, and second one according to the purpose or height. According to the material use, dams will be for timber dams and the monsorees dams. Timber dams भी बनते हैं and monsorees dams बनते हैं. Then according to the classification of purpose or height में, there are three types of dams: high dam, medium dam and low dams. So what are the types of dams? Various dams which are being built, you can see it in your NCERT book on page number 28, the main projects and dams of India. So the main dams and the water projects of India are Damodar Valley in Damodar River, Bhakra Nangal in Satluj River, Hirakund in Mahanadi River, Kosi in Kosi Dam, Chambal Valley in Chambal River, Nagarjuna Sagar in Krishna River, Narabda Valley in Narabda River, Indra Sagar Canal in Base and Satluj River. These are some of the main dams and canals which are being built in it. Now we will study what are the interstate disputes in water. This is also one of the main points in India. Mainly in our country, the states are being fighting with water, for water. So point number 1 come the Krishna Godavari dispute. The Krishna Godavari dispute is between the Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh state from many decades, or due to the electric projects. Second comes the Kaveri Basin interstate dispute between the Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So it is from 1892, and at that time the Mysore Prince and the Madras. And next one, it is the Ravi and base water between the Punjab and Haryana. These two states are also been still having lots of disputes that why the water they are not getting which they needed. So these all what we have studied today. Hope so you all like it, the water resources, and understand about the conservation and the need of water. I hope you all understand it, the easy steps of conservation of water, dams, main dams of India, and interstate water disputes. Thank you for listening. Goodbye everyone. Thank you.